The Honda HPX Concept was the star of the 1984 Turin Auto Show, showcasing elements of engineering excellence and cutting-edge design with extreme wedge-shape styling. The HPX was Honda's first concept car was penned by the iconic Italian design house Pininfarina. The 40-year-old concept has returned to Pininfarina's workshop for a full restoration to compete in the wedge-shaped concept class at 2024 Pebble Beach last week. Unfortunately, the Aston Martin Bulldog was the class winner in this event. Along with funky styling, the car has no doors, and the entire canopy is raised to access the interior and also serves as an air brake. Speaking the powertrain, the HPX packs a mid-mounted 2.0-liter V6 DOHC, which was derived from a Honda Formula 2 racing engine. Beyond its exterior, the HPX interior is a continuation of the company's forward-thinking vision. The electronic drive support system previewed technologies that are now commonplace, like real-time telemetry, GPS, and advanced driver assistance systems that use sonar. While the HPX concept never reached production, Honda says it inspired and informed the development at the first generation of NSX.